Okay, this is so cool. This is a block puzzle and it has sliders in there, right?
Yes.
And we are so excited to showcase it to you. So we're gonna unbox it. So when you open it up, you have the manual and then you have the game console, and these are the sliders in there. This slide puzzle comes with 500 levels, and I was able to work with the child to understand how to use it. We started by starting with level 1, of course, and assembling all the puzzles. These puzzles have slight magnet on it. You also need to have a battery, AAA battery, to use this. It has small colorful plates, and as I said, the plates are slightly magnetic, and these are puzzles that as the child learns how to use it, it creates logical thinking ability. And also for adults, it can help relieve the pressure from work and life and stuff. It's very portable. You can use it with one end, two ends, and you can play it anywhere. She did a good job playing it. She enjoyed it, and I know that any kid or adult will also enjoy this too.